Life in Rockford has many advantages: friendly communities, vibrant neighborhoods, and convenient access to schools, shopping, and entertainment. But if you live in a busier part of town, the constant sound of traffic, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activity can make it hard to relax. For many Rockford homeowners, noise-reducing windows have become a smart investment, creating a quieter, more comfortable home environment without sacrificing natural light or style. Why noise reduction matters. Noise pollution isn't just an inconvenience, it affects your daily comfort and health. Studies show that prolonged exposure to unwanted noise can increase stress, disrupt sleep, and even impact focus and productivity. In busy Rockford neighborhoods, older windows with thin glass or poor seals do little to block outside sounds. Upgrading to noise-reducing windows allows you to enjoy the energy of city living without the constant distractions. How noise-reducing windows work. Modern windows are designed with advanced features that minimize sound transfer into your home. Key elements include double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating layers of air or gas between them absorb and deflect sound waves. Laminated glass. A special interlayer between panes dampens vibrations, blocking more noise than standard glass. Insulated frames. Materials like vinyl or composite frames reduce sound transfer better than aluminum. Tight seals. Professional installation ensures there are no gaps for sound or drafts to sneak through. Together, these technologies create a powerful shield against outside noise, helping your home stay peaceful even in high traffic areas. Benefits beyond quiet. Noise-reducing windows don't just make your home quieter, they also come with other advantages. Energy efficiency. Double and triple pane glass improves insulation, lowering heating and cooling costs in Rockford's variable climate. Comfort. Better insulation means fewer drafts and more consistent indoor temperatures. Security. Laminated and multi-pane glass adds strength, making windows harder to break. UV protection. Many modern windows filter out harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. This combination of benefits makes noise-reducing windows a well-rounded upgrade for Rockford homeowners. Where to install noise-reducing windows. Not every window in your home may need soundproofing. Focus first on areas where peace and quiet matter most. Bedrooms. A restful night's sleep is priceless, especially near busy streets. Home offices. Reduce distractions for greater focus and productivity. Living rooms. Create a calm, comfortable space for family time and relaxation. By prioritizing these rooms, you'll notice an immediate improvement in your daily comfort. Choosing the right option for your home. Noise-reducing windows aren't one size fits all. When shopping for replacements in Rockford, consider these factors. STC rating, sound transmission class. This number indicates how well a window blocks sound. Higher ratings mean better noise reduction. Frame material. Vinyl and composite frames insulate sound and temperature better than aluminum. Professional installation. Even the best windows won't deliver results without expert installation. Partnering with a trusted Rockford window installer ensures your investment performs as expected. Adding value to your Rockford home beyond comfort, noise-reducing windows also increase property value. Buyers appreciate homes with modern, energy-efficient, and quiet interiors. If you ever plan to sell, upgraded windows can help your home stand out in Rockford's market. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners. Noise-reducing windows are more than a luxury. They're a smart choice for boosting comfort, energy efficiency, and home value. By blocking unwanted sounds, improving insulation, and enhancing security, these windows help create the peaceful retreat you deserve, even in the busiest neighborhoods. If the constant noise outside your window is affecting your comfort, it may be time to explore noise-reducing window replacement. With the right windows and professional installation, your Rockford home can become a quiet sanctuary in the heart of the city.